Put your hands up if you feel like having a good time. Put your hands up if you got no cares at all. Raise your cups if you got no.
Hi everyone, it's Roxy and today I'm going to share with you what I got in my November Planner Addict box. And if you've been on my channel for a little while, you know that I'm a huge fan of the Planner Addict box. I am subscribed to them, so every month I get a box filled with planner supplies and stationeries for just $15, and I think that you definitely cannot go wrong with that. So I'll have a list of all my previous planner videos down below, and now let's get right into what I got in my November Planner Addict box. So this is how it looks. It's a little box like this, and it has so much things in it, as you can tell. So first off, from Jack and Ella paper, it is a planning list, and it says planning is what I do best, and then it has some lines and check boxes where you can just check off your to-do list. And the last box, it's so cute because it says rock my to-do list, and how cute is that? It has 50 sheets of recycled paper in it, which I think is very, very awesome. And oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this because, you know, I am always writing lists of some sort, okay? Things I can immediately draw my eyes to is this Lollipop, and this is from Original Gourmet, and it looks like it's a caramel lollipop. I don't really eat lollipops, but this looks so good, I ain't gonna lie, I want to taste it. Next up, from American Crafts, is these library tags, and they're perfect for lists and decoration and stuff like that, and it looks so cute because it really is like a library card. Like, it has the pockets where you can just stick your notes into, and I guess you could stick the pockets like on a gift. I have no idea what I'm going to use this for because it's so unique. I've never had anything like this, but we are going to hoard it and we're going to see what is going to be up with this suit. I got a cute Crone pen, and this is from Crone pen. It says it's a vintage style Crone pen, and it's so cute. It has a gold little crown on top, and I believe that there are different ones, different colors to these. The only thing though is that this pen is a bluing pen. I don't ever write with bluing, but I will definitely make use of this in some way because it's really so cute, and it's just like a clicky pen, like So we got a little black and white envelope. That was really exciting because whenever things come inside a package, in an envelope or a box, I get really excited. So this is from the Everyday Planner, and it's so cute because it has these really nice stickers in it. Payday, build you, and of course like thankful, and a little coffee mug, which is so cute. And I love using my stickers so much. You guys have seen my November Plan With Me video, and if not, I'll have it linked in right at the top here. I love using just the right amount of stickers in my planner, and I love how tiny these are, so it works really good. So the thing that I was most excited about was this masking sticker set, and it comes with 27 masking stickers, and I have no idea, or I had no idea what were masking stickers, and it's basically like washi tape, and I just think that is like the coolest thing ever because look how much different patterns I have. Like, I have to doubt myself to really think that this is 27 because it looks like so much different ones. There are hearts and polka dots and plaid, stripes, anything that you could possibly imagine. This is here, and I love it so much because it's so unusual. This was the highlight of my box by far. It was just really good, and it's from a company called Wrappables. And of course it makes it super travel size friendly because you can just stick it in like your planner or in your pencil case, and it works so good. This was just like bae in this box, right? So made exclusively for the Planner Addict box, and I think as long as I have been getting Planner Addict boxes, which was I think in September was my first box, we have been getting like really cute Planner Addict box to-do list, and this one says to do today, and I really like the pattern of it, and it has lines, which I love, and I always use this because it's just so convenient to just tuck into your planner and just jot down any random notes that crossed your mind. Another sticker set, and this is from Oh Hello Stationery Co, and it is like completely fall themed, which I already did in my November Plan With Me, but I can definitely do something with it maybe in December. I am not really sure how that is gonna go, but if it's anything, stickers ain't gonna waste, and I can always use them next year. But I love the color scheme. It is definitely perfect for a Thanksgiving spread because it is orange and brown and everything Thanksgiving-ish, right? I also have this sheet of little stickers, and this is from the Paper Lantern, and they're really cute as well. Again, this would have been perfect for a November spread had I not done one already because the colors are like yellow and brown, and I just like it just screams of Thanksgiving week. So love these, but might have to save them for another time. So the last item that I got was a bonus item, and this is from Kings on Toast. So basically it is an at-a-glance calendar that you can look at. So it is divided into winter 2015, 2016, spring 2016, autumn 2016 and summer 2016, and I really love the color scheme of it. It just makes you feel the season like no other, and it's really good to just have in your planner so you can see 3 months in advance, which I think is really cool. So thank you for this extra bonus item, Planner Dick Box. So this month we got 8 items for only $15, like plus a bonus item for $15, which I think is beyond fabulous, and I really, honestly, this has been one of my favorite subscription boxes ever. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thumbs it up for more planner supply videos and planner hauls and planner with me and planner life. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe when you're out so you won't miss a thing. Bye!
I'm only getting started.